Music's the medicine of the mind. Ayon ito sa isang kilalang bayani ng Estados Unidos tungkol sa musika. Kung walang musika, ang mundo ay magiging isang malungkot na lugar. Si Lee Simon Brown mula bata hanggang sa kasalukuyan, naging buhay na ang pagdimbag at paggawa ng musika. Sa mga panahon na masaya o malungkot man, lalo na nang mamatay ang kanyang tatay at naging ulilang lubos. Sa pamamagitan ng pag-awit para sa Diyos, napagtagumpayan niya ang mga pagsubok.
Worship music particularly helped me to go back to God in times when I would feel anxious about finances, paano mo ipapagamot si Papa, paano ano yung mangyayari sa future. So, ang galing lang talaga ni God. I can think of that song because when I got to know God, when I got to know how He loves me, I had to go through a process of going to God for forgiveness because there were things I did wrong in my life, and also I had to learn how to forgive.
Ito rin ang saloobin ni Isa Fabregas, kalahok sa isang sikat na singing contest sa telebisyon. Sa murang edad, nahilig na siya sa pagkanta at pagtatanghal. Ngunit sa gitna ng kasikatan, ang mga pagsubok na naranasan, di maiiwasan ang masakit na komento ng publiko sa social media sa panahon ng kompetisyon.
That's where I experienced a lot of criticism and bashing. I guess it was an overwhelming time kasi coming from yung at least the first part of the competition, when you just enter, parang people are happy for you pa. But when it came to further rounds, people, syempre, they pick who they like. Obviously, hindi ako yung crowd favorite. So, it was difficult to read a lot of things online.
Isang awit ang napili ni Isa na siyang nakatulong sa kanyang maging matatag ng mga panahong iyon.
A song that I chose to sing during one of the rounds was You've Got a Friend. And for me, it's a classic song, but it's a beautiful song, and it has such a wonderful message. And I feel like that's how God is for us in every season. He is our friend. Aside from being our Savior, aside from being our Father, He's also our friend.
Si Christian Asuncion, bago maging mister ni Yen Constantino, dumaan din sa matinding pagsubok sa kanyang personal na buhay.
I went through very parang sobrang negative depression sa life ko. Talagang I didn't know my identity, hindi ko alam kung anong direction ng life ko, hindi ko alam yung purpose ng life ko, so I became depressed. And at the same time, I started listening to sobrang emotional songs, alam mo yung mga maraming self-pity songs out there na yung message is parang kawawa ka naman, di ba, iniwanan ka, wala nang purpose tong buhay na to, magrebelde tayo. And maraming songs na ganun yung message eh. And during that depression period of my life, I was listening to songs like that. So, instead of ma-encourage ako, mas lalong na-fortify yung feeling of depression.
Ang musikang naging dahilan ng kanyang depresyon ang siya ring ginamit ng Diyos upang makawala si Christian sa lugmok na kalagayan.
Ang lyrics na it goes like, some would say that you cannot be found, some would say that you are far away, but I know that you're a God who lives in me, and I know that you will always have my heart. So parang, it was a song na talagang sobrang, God, so in my depression, you're not a God who's far away, na tumitingin ka from afar, but you're there in the depression with me, and that helped me so much na parang, wow, hindi ako nag-iisa.
Sila ang mga musikerong bumubuo ng Victory Worship. Sa pinaghalo-halong talento at hugot sa pinagdaanan, iisa ang kanilang mithiin, ang maipahayag ang kadakilaan ng Panginoong Diyos sa pamamagitan ng musika sa isang mundong nangangailangan ng kaligtasan.
For me, Christianity, that Jesus Christ came and saved us, and that's why we worship, that's why we can dance, that's why we're alive.
Isang awitin ang iniwan ng grupo, nagpapahayag ng kanilang pagdakila sa isang Diyos na tunay at tanging pinanggagalingan ng lahat ng kabutihan.